Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to press that bell icon just below for notifications on the menu today. Fresh from the pot, we're going to make Gorgonzola and cream sauce pasta. I'm using a penne pasta. I've got some olives in there. We've got some oregano, a little bit of garlic. It is so easy and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. This is very simple. We've got some Gorgonzola cheese there. You can be using a different type of blue cheese if you wanted. There's like 150 grams. Here, there's 250 ml of, I've got a thick cream. You can use a thin cream or a thick cream. You can use any cream, probably not sour cream, but any other cream works really well. One small onion, I'm using a white onion chopped. I've got a few black olives, maybe a cup of black olives. I'm keeping the stones in my one. You can take them out if you want. We've got 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and just like half a teaspoon of some nutmeg, which is a lovely flavor. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to use some salt and pepper. And by the way, all the measurements for the ingredients are in the text below. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion and our garlic. And we're going to let this go on a medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring often. And by the way, of course, we need our pasta. I'm using a penne pasta today, so get your pasta cooked and ready. I'm going to be using about 250 grams of cooked pasta. See you in a few minutes. So as you can see, we've got a nice toasted brown on the garlic and the onions are cooking really nicely. What we're going to do now is add some salt, some black pepper, that oregano, that little bit of nutmeg, which I think makes a massive difference. It's really lovely, that is. Let's drop those olives in. I'm using some whole black. Like I said, there's stones in mine. Turn the heat down now. Next, we're going to drop in our cream. Like I say, this is a 250 ml of a thick cooking cream. You can be using any cream you like. Now we drop in our Gorgonzola cheese. And we need just like 1 or 2 minutes now for that cheese to melt. And it'll all come together on a low heat. Keep it moving. So our cheese is just starting to melt down. That's come together beautifully. We're going to get our cooked pasta. Like I said, I'm using penne. You could be using something different if you wanted. And for a further 1 or 2 minutes, we're going to run this sauce on, in and around our pasta. I want to kind of get it all over the place. And then this baby's going to be done. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.